Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Terry, RV Specialist. And so I caught up with Terry. He's actually removing the skylight on a Grand Design Reflection. It's an older unit. And something that we wanted to talk about was when you scrape off all the, whether it be alpha lap sealant or dichlor lap sealant, you want to really be careful and take your time. As you can see, you know, the rubber roof material, the TPO material, is just glued in place. And so that glue never dries, so it's actually still sticky, and it is lifting as he's carefully and slowly pulling up the skylight. So as you can see, like the bubble right here, he's having to push down to make sure that he doesn't tear the material, because the material is pretty thin, so it's very easy to tear that. So make sure if you're changing out your skylight, whether it's cracked, sun damaged, discolored, getting brittle. This one I believe has some cracks on it, and also, as you can see, is discolored. A thing you can do to preserve these skylights is you can add 303 UV protection to it. There's also a lot of other products that you can put on there, like plastic protectants and whatnot. So anyways, stay tuned for more. He's going to continue to slowly work this thing loose, and then he'll get the new one on and resealed, and we might come back during the process and see if I can't catch him then. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.